Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Spotlight. Open Snapchat and go straight to Spotlight. Once there, pick a saved snap or record a new one. Trimming comes first because timing drives everything. Use the scissors tool and drag the handles to set your clip's start and end points, and make sure the final length meets Spotlight's limit. After you trim, review the clip quickly to confirm pacing, because that determines how you'll layer filters, text, and audio in the next steps. Now refine visuals and audio. First, swipe through lenses and filters. Layering can change mood, so preview each combination. Next, add text and stickers, tap, type, then long press to set how long they appear. This timing keeps visuals readable. For audio, tap the music icon to add a track, then trim and position it to match beats. Lower music volume to preserve speech clarity. Once done, scrub through the timelines slowly to make sure transitions and timing feel natural before the final polish. Finish by doing a full review, scrub the timeline, watch for clipping, and confirm text legibility and audio balance. Once satisfied, add a concise caption, choose your audience or privacy setting, and then tap Submit to publish to Spotlight. Make sure your thumbnail frame is compelling since it affects views. If something goes wrong during upload, first check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, update the app, and ensure your snap follows Spotlight guidelines. These 3 fixes solve most issues and get you back to posting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.